I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from your PayPal account to your bank account. First, you want to head to paypal.com and sign into your account on your browser. And then you want to basically make sure that you have a bank account linked. So first you want to click on the wallet from the top menu here, and then just link a bank account if you don't have one already linked by clicking on link bank here and provide your details for the bank. Now, once it's linked, it might take a few days to confirm the bank account, and only when it's confirmed, you will be able to withdraw. Next, you want to basically select your bank account here, and to send the money or transfer it to your bank account, you can basically click on transfer funds from the home page here, or you can do it from your wallet. Click on transfer funds and it should take you to this page. Then select your bank account, press next, and specify the amount of money that you want to transfer to your bank. And then press next and confirm the payment. And once you confirm it, it will be transferred to your bank account, and it should take 1 to 3 business days here as the estimated arrival time. And you should get a notification when you receive it on your bank account. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.